Hello, welcome back to my channel and thank you those who are watching as of now. Terima kasih semua nonton sekarang. So today we are going to explore MRT, which is Metro Services in Jakarta. So let's go and explore. So what you can see now is the entrance. Now I am as of at Bandungan Hillary and we will start to explore MRT services from Bandungan Hillary. So this is the entrance. Is the entrance for stair and escalator. So let's go and watch. Each station has lift as well for the priority of the people who can use the lift. So now I am going to enter to MRT. So I am choosing to use the stair and you can see the stair is so long. So I will go down and then continue. See, I am already in the MRT area. They have the board, name, where to go for the direct entrance. As you know, for the safety purpose, there is a checking and also there is temperature check. Once you get entered to the MRT area, you can see, if you are new, you can see the map. So here is the architecture of this platform. So you can see the direction and everything, where to go and which side to go. And apart from there, we can see a full network map. So basically it is not the MRT map, but it is full Jakarta transportation map. For more, you can watch one of the video, my previous video. But from here you can see the symbol and understand that which one is for MRT, which one is for busway, and which one is for train, local train, and which one is for LRT. So now the time is to take the ticket, right, and to travel. So how to travel? So you can see I am standing in front of the ticket office. So basically now it's already an digital time, so you don't need to go and buy the ticket manually, but there are assistants to assist you. But you can see here there is an electronic machine from where you can buy the ticket or you can recharge your flash card. So you can see I have a flash card which I have already bought, or you can buy the flash card over here. So from the screen you can see the details that how to refill your card or how to recharge. So to recharge, normally you just put your money over here, put your card like this, provide the money over here, and then from the menu you just select what you want to do.
Please
top up,
place your ticket
and then
on the tray.
based on the suggestion you just follow the instruction, and then your card will be recharged. And if you need some change, it will be provided over here, and the receipt will be given over in the receipt section. This how you can receive your ticket, or you can recharge your. At MRT station there are some food store. So if you are hungry, you can eat over here. So you can see this is the a view of MRT, and there is another second store, Family Mart, to buy some of the necessary item if you want to buy. And this is the full view of this MRT. This is the ground floor. Now we will go to the platform on where we can get our train for the traveling. So here you can see it's also an entrance. We need to put our flash card over here. It shows the green light, means we can enter, and also it will display you the amount of balance is available in your flash card. And you can see that there is a directions display or is there to be guided to where you need to go. And this is the pathway where I can go to the platform to take my train. So I'm going to take my train, and then let's see. Already on the platform, and in platform you can see there is two platform number 1 you can see over there, and there is a platform number 2. So for the both direction. And if you are not aware which direction I will get my train, here is the board where it has been displayed which side to go and where the train will be going. So you can see as of now on the first point I am at Bandungan Hillary, and it's showing that it will go, if I'm standing in this side, it is going to the Lebak Bulus Grab, which is the end of the MRT stop. So this way, if I need to go to Istora Mandi or towards Lebak Bulus Grab, I need to take the train on platform number 1. And if I need to go towards Bundaran High, which is the next end of the platform. For that, we need to take the train from the platform number 2, which is the beside. You can see there is a board to give you information. So you can get information from here. Saturday, and I am making my content, so you can see it's quite empty. MRT is quite empty. So this is the platform view of MRT station. Apart from that, for the waiting, they have given the sitting position also, so someone can sit. The priority people can sit who need to sit. And also there is a board in which you can see the timing when the train will come on platform number 1 and when the train will come in platform number 2. So you see now train is arriving, so it giving information the train is arriving. So this train will go to Lebak Bulus Grab. So I will depart on the train going to Lebak Bulus Grab. See, the MRT has arrived. And also you can see the map over the each window to know that which side the train is going. So you can see over there it's showing here that you are standing at Bundaran Hillary and the train will go towards the Lebak Bulus Grab. So now I am departing in the MRT. This is the glance of MRT. You can see the MRT. So as it's COVID, so there is a limitation, means there is social distancing has been maintained by putting the mark on the seat to avoid one seat sequentially, so we can maintain the social gap. And you can say this is the MRT view, and let's go and see the other station. Apart from that, also in the train you can see the screen, so you can know that where you are going and the train is going to the which way. So now you can see the next stop is going to come Istora Mandiri. So it's showing the symbol Istora Mandiri, and after that is Sanayan, and it will go till Lebak Bulus Grab. And now the MRT is on the bridge side, no more in the underground. So you can see the view of the city from MRT also. And also you can see there some of the information is provided, like you cannot sit on the floor, you cannot throw anything. So yeah, just for the information, there is the info. Stop is Block M BCA, where I will arrive. I will take my arrival over here on this station. Yeah, you can see this platform. It's quite beautiful. Is that right? It looks so beautiful because it's on the bridge and open light. No lightning is there like in the basement side, but when we start from Bandungan Hillary, it was on the basement in the underground, but now it is on the bridge. So you can see this platform, and once you arrive in the platform, you can see in the map. So nearby area, 400-meter area from the platform, you can see what are located, what are the places are there. So you can see over here Block M Plaza, Block M Square. So these are the information, and here is the map. So yes, this was the content regarding the MRT. So I think this is helpful for you and get more information. I tried my best to give the more detailed information. Yes, so now you can see I just want to show you the train coming. So you can see the train is coming. So this is the view of the train. And thank you for watching, and if you like my content, please like and subscribe, and thank you for your all support.